Solve the inequality. Write the solution set in interval notation and graph it. Negative 4x plus 2 times, in parentheses, x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 4x minus, in parentheses, 3 plus 5x minus the number 7. Let's start by simplifying both sides as much as possible. On the left-hand side, we have a negative 4x plus, using the distributive property and multiplying 2 times both terms in parentheses, we have a plus 2x and a minus 6. That's greater than or equal to, on the right-hand side, we have 4x. Distributing our minus sign into the parentheses gives us a minus 3 and a minus 5x, minus 7. Now combining like terms on both sides. Negative 4x plus 2x is a negative 2x minus 6 is greater than or equal to, on the right-hand side, 4x and a negative 5x is a negative x. Negative 3 and a negative 7 is a negative 10. Now let's collect our x terms on the same side by adding x to both sides. Negative 2x plus x is negative x. And at the same time, let's move our numbers to the right-hand side, adding 6 to both sides. So negative 10 plus 6 is a negative 4. And as a last step, let's multiply both sides by a negative 1, which is going to change the direction of our inequality symbol, giving us x is less than or equal to 4. So we have our solution in inequality form. Let's also write it in interval notation as the interval from negative infinity up to and including 4. The bracket indicates inclusion of the number 4. And lastly, let's graph this solution on the number line. Just locate 4 somewhere on the number line. Let's put a bracket around it and let's highlight these numbers to the left, indicating that that is our solution interval along with a bold bracket. The solution is all those numbers that are less than or equal to 4.